everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, we're starting the year off strong with a Parisa Wang handbag unboxing today. First off, thank you so much to Parisa Wang for sending me this handbag to review, style, and add to my collection. I just feel really blessed right now because all of the handbags there are just so stunning and I was able to pick one. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So the handbag actually comes in this dust bag that actually doubles as a tote bag, which is actually kind of cool. It cinches at the top just like this, and inside is the handbag. And I chose the Madison medium top handle bag in black, and honestly, isn't she just stunning? This is an all leather bag, and actually let me read to you what it says on the website because I don't want to get this wrong. So this handbag is a full grain walrus textured calfskin from Australia, and the gold hardware that you see here, it's actually gold plated zinc alloy hardware, so this handbag actually contains real gold. This handbag also retails for $365, and Parisa Wang uses the same manufacturers as Chloe, Mulberry, Oroton, and a couple more designers. I have been wanting a black and gold handbag, and this definitely scratches the itch for that. I just love this because it's definitely going to go from day to night because you can wear it in so many different ways. You can wear it in the hand, in the crook of your arm, and then also it comes with a removable, adjustable, matching leather strap that you can attach to the D-rings right over here. And at the end of this video, I'll go ahead and attach it and try it on for you. I love the leather that they used on this handbag because it really feels carefree, and on the website they advertise it as anti-scratch. The opening of this handbag too, I feel like it reminds me of a Lady Dior for some reason, just because it has this magnetic flap over here that kind of just protects your belongings inside. So you can either just stick your hand in here to like kind of fish for your stuff, or you can open it here and then like actually see what's inside of your handbag. And inside, it actually can fit quite a lot. I think up to an iPad mini, but inside there's also a zippered pocket, as you can see here, and then another flat slip pocket inside here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little slip pocket right over there as well. So yeah, this bag can fit quite a lot, and it's also lined with leather on the inside as well, which is really, really nice. I really just love the details of this bag, and right over here on this buckle, these things actually come undone too, so you can wear it open or closed, kind of like, you know, the Hermes Birkin, Kelly, and give it that more like effortless chic look, or you can wear it closed if that's your preference. Honestly, this is such a great handbag, and I feel like this is such a great quality handbag, especially for the price. One thing right off the bat that I wish I could change about this bag though is that it doesn't have feet. But honestly, with the quality of this leather and the way it feels, I think it can get away with having no feet because it really feels durable and really does feel carefree. So yeah, this is the Madison medium top handle bag, and I am just quite obsessed with it. I think this is going to be the perfect handbag to go from day to night just because of how many different ways you can wear this bag. It fits quite a few things, and honestly, you can just dress this bag up or down. Let me go ahead and do some mod shots, and in another video I'll probably do like what fits inside the Parisa Wang Madison medium top handle bag. But yeah, let me go ahead and now show you what this bag looks like on me, and note that I am about 5'1". Okay, so here's what the handbag looks like in the crook of my arm. Here's what it looks like in the hand. And here's what it looks like as a crossbody. This bag is just so cute. I am just so obsessed. It's such great quality, and I can't believe it's only $365. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next one.